Welcome and thank you for joining us today. This short webinar will cover detailed instructions for using DOE's Quality Install Tool, or QIT, when completing an electrical upgrade. Several qualifying improvements will require the use of the PNNL Quality Install Tool. Today we will focus on the requirements for electric wiring and electric service panel load upgrades. All qualifying appliances must be Energy Star. The free Quality Install tool allows for the collection of data over the course of an installation and generates a report based on that data. The report must be delivered to the program and may be delivered to the customer. Data entered into the tool will include pre-installation photos, post-installation photos, diagnostic testing data, and in some instances, project planning data. If you are interested in testing out the tool, we have provided a link to the live version on our website. Before installing electrical upgrades, go to the DOE's Quality Install Tool, or QIT. Here you will save the tool location on your phone or tablet's web browser while you have internet service or cell phone coverage. You may need to turn your location on in settings to geotag photos. To do this on an iOS phone, go to Phone Settings, select Privacy and Security, then select Location Services, and select Camera Precise Location On while using the app. Next, select the web browser you will be using to access the QIT website and select Precise Location On while using the app. For Vision OS devices, select Location Services. On an Android phone, go to Phone Settings, select Location On, choose the High Accuracy mode if available. Your phone or tablet must be online to use the Quality Install tool. Access the saved Quality Install tool from your device to test online connection. As you use the tool, you will capture geotagged images while on site. As you can see beneath the picture, a timestamp and geolocation is indicated. If poor cellular coverage is an issue, call the ECAM call center at 888-290-9337 to evaluate other options. Authorized contractors for the HERE program will receive essential documents by email to guide and support their installation work. In addition, each contractor will be assigned an outreach specialist who will provide ongoing support and address any questions or concerns throughout the process. The HERE project submission checklist is a resource for all contractors to ensure all required documents are completed. This checklist can be utilized for all contractor installed measures. The checklist identifies which documents must be submitted before installation begins and which are required after installation is completed. To accommodate different preferences, this checklist is available in printable and web-based formats. It is not required for upload to the ECAM portal. To ensure a home is ready to receive energy efficiency upgrades, a health and safety checklist is required for all contractor installed measures. This checklist is available in printable, fillable, and web-based formats. It is not required for upload to the ECAM portal. All findings should be shared with the homeowner. Pre-installation safety includes checking for signs of mold or moisture and inspecting the condition of the roof and drainage system. Contractors may need to assess additional health and safety items within the installation area prior to moving forward with a project. Items in an installation area that may need to be checked include pest infestation, accumulated clutter, structural hazards, open electrical potential fire safety hazards, sewage and sanitation, asbestos, vermiculite insulation, and carbon monoxide levels. Post-installation requires a combustion safety test when major gas combustion appliances, for example furnaces and water heaters, remain in place after HVAC, water heaters, air sealing, gas capping, and/or insulation that has an air sealing effect have been installed. Proof of combustion safety testing is required to be collected and retained in all instances where testing is performed. Click on the project and choose the appropriate appliance in the installation workflow. Enter the new installation name in accordance with the installation in progress. For example, gas capping 123 Main Street. For electrical installations, you will either create a new project or use the back button and select an existing project or address. Click on the project and choose the appropriate appliance in the installation workflow. Enter new installation name in accordance with the installation in progress. For example, electric upgrade 123 Main Street. Next, you will select electric wiring.
Now select Add Installation. Use the type of installation and the address to maintain naming consistency. On the next screen, you will add the required installation photos, including the old electric wiring photo, old and new circuitry plans, if applicable, and a photo of the new wires in the circuit breaker panel. Note the drop-down menus to choose which photo you are uploading.
If a new panel was needed, you will answer 2 questions on the Post-Installation tab. Enter the max amps and how many open breaker spots are in the new panel. If no new panel was needed, simply skip these questions. Next, you will add the required images, the old and the new electric panels. Once completed, you will go to the Report tab and select Print Report PDF. From here, you have the option of printing and/or emailing the report for upload into the RTS platform.
Now you will go back to the landing page or project list and select the download icon. Open and save the downloaded JSON file. Finally, upload the PDF report, JSON file, and the invoice. For questions, please reach out by phone to 888-290-9337 or email emnrd.ecmd@emnrd.nm.gov. Thank you for joining us today.